Tired of long lines? Let's skip the bank teller and transfer money from your Landbank ATM directly to your Gcash account. First, insert your Landbank ATM card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Make sure no one's peeking, okay? On the main menu, look for the transfer option and select it. You'll see a list of transfer options. Choose to other banks. This is how we reach Gcash. Now, you'll see a list of different banks and wallets. Look for Gcash, or sometimes it's listed as PayMaya or even coins.ph since they use similar transfer networks. Select the correct one. Next, carefully enter the 11-digit mobile number of the Gcash account you want to transfer to. Double check, triple check. A wrong number means your money goes to someone else. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to stay within your daily limit and any Gcash limits. The ATM will show you a confirmation screen with all the details. Double check everything one last time. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The ATM will print a transaction receipt. Keep this for your records, just in case, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Landbank ATM to Gcash.